Are able to.
This conference will now be recorded.
So is it Pooja? Can you get the recordings?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
everyone, right? So you're not facing any kind of issues while accessing the recordings, right? Okay, so you have to set your own password for your mail ID. Okay, so with help of that one from the canvas.instructor.com, we can able to access the all the recordings. Okay, yep. So I hope so you guys are able to access the recording. So I'm not explaining now with that particular part actually. I mean how we can able to access the recordings. Okay. So now this particular class, what I would like to talk. So we stop in the middle of the string data type. Let's continue the string data type in this particular stitch. Just a minute. Okay. So we opened the Anaconda. So just open Anaconda Navigator. Once we open the Anaconda Navigator, onto the Jupyter Notebook. So go to your specific folder. Okay. So the last class I explained what is string data type. and how we can able to represent the string in different ways, and how we can access the characters from the string, and how we can able to access the group of characters from the string, and how we can access the stepwise index elements or index characters from the string that we, and meanwhile we try to modify the string. So that what we done in our previous class, right? Today class, what I would like to talk, you know, for example, if we have the string, so I want to know the number of characters. Okay, so then length is nothing but it's a number of characters in a string. If you want to know it, we have a function. The name of the function is, it's a length len function. So with help of the len function, we can able to find the number of characters from the string. Okay, is it clear my point? So len is the function, it will help you to know the how many number of characters in a string. Clear, right? Meanwhile, if we have a true strings, so for example, the string one is the Python, and the string two is, for example, program. So I would like to concatenate both of it. So concatenation is nothing but we can apply the plus operator between A and B. This time A could be Python and B could be the program. Both it can be combined. You will be getting the Python program. Okay. If you go ahead for the B plus A, so this is different. So program and Python you will get, because of concatenation could be the first string and the second string. Okay, which is not same A plus B or B plus A. So this is the plus operator. So you know what, when I'm using the plus operator, internally we have a function underscore underscore add underscore underscore function will in work, that I would like to show you, sometime. For example, you have a string and which is the Python. I just want to repeat this string multiple times. So multiple times in the sense, Python I want to be repeat 5 times, then you just multiply with 5, then Python you will be getting the 5 times Python. Okay, if you want to get the Python 10 times, then the same string which is repeated 10 times continuously, then we can go ahead with a string into 10, then it would be that particular string, it could be repeated 10 times. Okay, is it clear? This is the way we can use the either plus operator, either asterisk operator. Clear? For example, you have a string. The string is Python programming language. Python programming language. I have a substring. The substring is, for example, gram. Is the gram is available in your string or not? It's available, right? So this particular situation, we have a keyword is there. In keyword, if I use the B in A, which means B is available in A. This is the meaning of it. Actually, this is the thing which is in work because of the a function. The function is contains. That means A contains B. Either A contains B or B in A. Both are same only. Clear? Python programming language at B equal to gram. So which means that B is available in A or not, that we can easily figure out with help of the in keyword or contains method. Okay. So this is the way we can do, or we can apply some kind of functions on the string. But if you want to know that what other functions are there, if you want to know it, then not only that one, actually we have some other functions also there. For example, Python, from this particular Python, I want to know the maximum character, the biggest character from the string. Then we can have a function is max. If I use the max of A, so Y could be the biggest character when you're comparing with Y, alphabetical order. Okay, so A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. A could be the small, B could be the little bigger than A, and this is the way it's upon alphabetical order, right? Ascending order, right? So max of A in the sense, y could be the max element from this particular group of 6 characters. If I go with min of A, the smallest character from the group of characters. So from this particular group of character, the smallest character is H character. After the H only, rest of the characters will comes. Okay, in alphabetical order. Is there any questions regarding about this operations?
Sir, in print a plus b in Python, a plus b, print b plus a. Why is there space, sir?
Because of I given intentionally.
Okay.
You careful observe here. The Python with the space is there, right?
Okay, sir.
Because of this one, we got the space here. And meanwhile, here also we have the space, but we can't see it now. Okay. Here
Okay, sir.
between the space, there is between the two characters, there is a space so that we can able to see here. But after the character, there is no other character is there. After the space, there is no character. Because of that one, we are unable to look the space here. But here also we have a space. But this is the space and this is the space we because of this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Nice observation. So I hope so. You understood the min function, max function in keyword and star operator and plus operator. We understood, right? So let me check what other functions are there inside of the Python programming language, or especially for string data type. Then we can look for the str function. Then if you go with the str function, which is listing the lot of other functions are there. These are the all the methods. These are all built-in methods of the string data type. Okay. So here we have underscore underscore add underscore underscore, right? How this is the function is in work, you already know it. We already seen the plus operator. So because of the plus, if you want to be work with the plus operator, and the plus operator is working properly because of the underscore underscore add underscore underscore of two strings. Even if you go at a plus b or a dot underscore underscore add underscore underscore of b, both are the same. Okay. So here we have a contains method, right? This contains method and this in keyword will be doing the same thing. Okay. Meanwhile, we have the two functions are there, or two keywords or two variables are there, and both are string data type. I want to be compare both. So a equal to b, which means that a dot underscore underscore of eq underscore underscore of b. So this is the method which is available in the list of methods. If we go ahead with a not equal to b, which meaning is a and b, if both are different, then it could be returns the true. Ne not equal of b. Okay, is it clear? So meanwhile, less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, so this kind of operators also can work because of this built-in functions. I hope so you understood regarding about this one. Okay, see, you don't need to think much about this particular methods. We always concentrate on this particular methods. These are the methods we are calling it say string manipulation methods. Okay, so the above methods we are calling it say string manipulation 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 methods. So for the string manipulation methods, which means for example, you have a python okay program, you have a python program. So here we have a function is a capitalize or capitalize. So when I used the capitalize, the first character of the sentence could be the capital letter, rest of the characters are the smaller case letters. Careful observe here, this is the character is the capital letter, rest of the characters are the smaller case letters. It automatically converting by the capitalize method. Clear? For example, we have the one more method, lower method. So lower method, what it is doing, all characters can be converting into smaller case letters, or upper could be converting uppercase letters. Swap case, swap will be used for swap case will be used for uppercase letters are smaller case letters are converting into uppercase letters. This is the way swap case will be work for us. Swap case, upper, lower, capitalize. Capitalize, only first character can be converting into the cap letter, rest of all characters are the smaller. Lower can be converting all characters are smaller. Upper can be converting all characters can be uppercase characters. You can just look for here. And swap case will be used for uppercase or smaller case or uppercase. And we have one more method, which is the method is title method. When we have a title method, each and every word of the first character is capital letter, rest of the character is smaller case characters. Okay, so here it is the P is the capital letter, here it is also P is the capital letter, rest of the characters are the smaller case characters. Okay, that is the operation done by the title method. Any more questions regarding about this particular swap keys, title, and lower upper? Hmm?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. For example, we have one string which is having total 6 characters. So this is my original length. This is my original length. Okay. So I want the length of the string is 10, but unfortunately we have only 6. Rest of the 4 I want to be add the zeros at left. So that we are calling it say Z fill. So Z fill means which is filling the zeros. Okay, Z fill is filling the zeros to our A, and here already 6 characters are there in my A. So if I give the width is 10, the total width is the 10, but already 6 is the right. So 10 minus 6, it's a 4. So 4 zeros could be adding at a right side of the left side of the string. Okay, this is the meaning of the Z fill. For example, you have already 6. If width I give as a 5, then what happens? The original string you will be getting as an output. So if and only if your resultant length, it could be greater than the original length, that time only which is adding the zeros at your string or to your string. Clear? That is the meaning of the Z fill. And here we have a method is center method, a dot center. So which means you are making the you are putting the A string in the center, and the left side and right side you should add the any specific character. For example, I want to be add the a string or a sub character is A at left side and right side, and already the 6 is my original length of my A. I want the length could be the 10, so that means left side and right side could be adding A two times. First you should mention the width, then you have to mention the what character you want to be placed at left side and right side. So now the total width is 10. So already 6 characters are satisfied, but rest of the 4 characters are divided equally at left side and right side. Okay, what happens if my width is 6, but my original width I wanted 11. This time left side could be the 3 and right side could be the 2. Okay, so first which is giving the priority for the left. If and only if the left is satisfied, then it will be go for right. Not only A, you can mention anything, it's up to your choice, but it could be single character. So this is the meaning of the zfill and center. For example, you have a string which is having the Python program, and so like we have some characters are there. From this particular thing, I want to know that how many times the m character is repeated in my original string. Then I can go ahead with a dot count, which is returning the how many times the one specific character is repeated in our string. For example, if the character is not repeated in a one time, then what happens? 0 could be the output. If character is found and how many times which is repeated, so that is the result. So if it is the element, if the character is not found, then it could be returns the 0. Okay. Next one is count is done, right? And for example, index. I want to find out the index of the y. What is the index of the y? So y, the first index is y could be starting with 0 and 1. So 1 could be the result. So if I go ahead with O, what is the index of the O? So O is the 4, but O is having more than one time, right? Here also we have the O, and here also we have the O. But this is the index which is giving the first occurrence of the character index. So O, even it is repeated multiple times, which is considering as the first one as a result. Okay, first one position only is the result. That is the meaning of the index. For example, if element is not found, then what happens? It could be value error. So index, if and only if element is found, then it could be returns the output, and that too the position only. For example, here meanwhile we have find method is there. So for the find method also will be used for to find out the index value. So here o index also we can able to find. But you know what is the difference between the index and find? Index and find will be returning the index values only. But if I go ahead with a non present character, or okay, in a string, then if you would like to give an input for the find, it could be returns the -1. That is the difference between the index and find. Index will be raise the value error if character is not found. Find can be returns the -1 if the character is not found. Okay, that is the meaning of the find and index. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So fine. So get okay. So this scaffold is not needed. Center is done. Count is done. And find is done. Index is done. And title is done. Join and split was not yet done, right? Okay. Let me go ahead with Python programming language. So this time, what I want to do that I want to split it. So split. So when I use it the split, so each and every can be converting as the word. Each and every word is the element of the list. Okay, with help of this one we can able to split your entire string. For example, I don't have the spaces here. I may have some underscore symbol. If we have the underscore symbol, if I use the split, you're getting as only one character only, okay, or one string only. But I want to split with some specific character, then we can use the input for the whatever the reference character you want to use it, that specific character you should give input for the split function, and with help of that one we can able to split your entire string into different subparts. Clear? This is the meaning of the split method. Now we have the join method. So we have a list which is having some number of words. So these situations I want to be join. So if you can provide you the join with any character, that character can be the divided or separate character for the each and every word from the list. So join of a, it can be joining this word and this word and this word with a space, but I want to join with the some special character or any other character. We can do that with that character only. Okay, this is the way you can able to join the your list of words to as a single sentence. This is the meaning of the join method. I hope you understood split method and join method, right? Now, for example, the string which is having only digits, I want to know that whether it is the digit or not. If all characters are digits, then each digit can be written as the true. Otherwise, it can be written as the false. If we have a space also, it could be the false only. If we have any other character also, it could be the false only. If and only if all characters could be the digits, then it could be written as the true. Otherwise, it can be written as the false. For example, the string it is having the both digits and alphabets. Okay, or else the string which is having only alphabets, mhm, instead of the alphabets and digit, I just go ahead with alphabets, and that too smaller case only. If I go ahead with a smaller case, b is the function is lower. Is lower can be written as the true if and only if no more uppercase character. Okay, if we have the space also, it could be true. Because of all characters, it could be smaller case only, which means that zero number of uppercase characters are present. Zero number of uppercase characters are present in our string, then it could be written as the true if I use the is lower. Okay, even if we have the digits and something else, doesn't matter for us. Is lower is just looking only zero number of uppercase characters. So if we have one uppercase character is there, it could be false. Meanwhile, and all are uppercase letters. If I use the is upper, it could be written as the true, which means that zero number of smaller case characters are present in the above example. So here I have some uppercase characters and I have the space and I have some uppercase characters. So is upper could be true. Okay, so zero number of smaller case letters are present. So for example, if we have smaller case letters, if we have uppercase letters, and so is alpha. So is alpha can be written as the true. It it doesn't matter whether it is upper or lower. But if other than the alphabets, if we have any special character, even space also, it could be the special character, so that it could be false. If we have a digits also, it could be false. Okay. For example, you have a string which is having the both uppercase, lowercase, and as well as some digits. So this time is all num is a function, so it can be written as the true if we have if it may be present the both alphabets and uppercase characters. Other than the other than the other than the alphabets and the digits, if we have any space or any special character, it could be the false. Is all num. Okay, it could be a false. So this is the way you may have some kind of built-in functions or built-in methods. It will help you to work with string data type. Okay, and here I have one more example, strip. So I have a string, guys. The string, it may have some space over here, or let me present one. Left side and right side could be the ones. Okay, So I want to be stripped left side same characters, right side same characters, we have it. I want to strip it. I want to strip. Strip means removing the unwanted characters at left side and right side. Strip, I'm giving the reference character is 1. If 1 present at left side, right side continuously, it can be remove it. For example, if 1 is there in the middle of the Python, it is not removing. 1 is not removing. Only left side and right side, if the ones are present, I'm giving the reference character is the 1. So our stripping character, I mention it, so that which is stripping or removing the this ones from the original string. Okay, this is the way the strip will work for us. Is it clear? This kind of operations we can do with help of the Python programming language, guys. So as of now, I explained the string data type. So I would like to go for upload this particular canvas instructor login. So I'm uploading this particular file, guys, and make sure that you can download that one, and we can open that one through Jupyter Notebook. Don't open it normally. If you open normally, you won't able to look that one. So next class, I would like to explain about listed data type. Okay, as of now, I explained the string data type. By tomorrow class, I would like to explain the listed data type. Okay, take care, guys. Bye. See you. Okay, bye. Take care.
I haven't received the mail, sir.
Okay, so is your mail is correct? So Krishna Chaitanya,
Yes,
Harika,
sir.
Pooja only can accessing the recording, but Jagadish and Srinath and Revant, Tulasi was not able to access the recordings. So Tulasi, can you please check your mail ID? Okay, can you please share your screen, Tulasi? Can you please share your screen and open your mail ID? Tulasi, can you please share your screen? Okay, open your mail ID. Open your mail ID. What happened?
Sir, my phone is hanging, sir. Let me check, sir.
Okay, actually you will get the link from the canvas. Okay. I'll tell you how it is looks like. For example, if you would like to add the new one, SOC SOFTACH@gmail.com. Add user. So see, yeah. See, this is the one you could not able to access the recordings, right? Like, let me see. It will take some time to get the mail. Yeah, anyway, again, I would like to give you the access. Okay. So tell me, can you please tell me your mail ID?
Yes, sir, it's kkptulasi@gmail.com.
Is it right?
Tulasi, sir.
Spelling,
Just kkptulasi, sir. Two isn't.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you will get the mail, okay, invitation mail from the canvas. So just click on the get started, and there which may ask you, have you get any mail from the canvas?
No, sir.
You will get the invitation mail something like this. It will take some time. Okay, so now what I can do, I would like to log out. Yeah. Okay, so when you got the invitation mail something like this, here we have an option get started. Just click on the get started. If you click on the get started, here we have an option decline and accept. Just click on the accept. If you click on accept, then actually if you're not having the canvas account, then it may ask you enroll for the new account, or if you have already account, then just log in at actually. But you don't have the canvas account, right? Just create the canvas account. There it may ask you direct password, and with help of the password and the username we can log in through your invitation. It just 3 to 5 minutes of step. Okay, if you do something like this, you will be getting in such a way. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see. If you're facing any issue, let me know. I will sort out in a next class. Bye, take care.
Okay, sir.